like so. I think this is sufficient. Next, I'm adding a bell pepper. Smells heavenly. Then I'm going to add my side of green onion. Let's add our chopped garlic right in here. I'm going to stir some more. Then I'm going to be adding my parsley now. And I'm going to stir it, let it boil for at least 10 minutes before adding my oxtail. Very delicious. So now I'm going to add my oxtail to the mix. Okay. And then I'm going to add a little bit of water just from the sauce that we used to pressure cook it. I'm not using any other water except the water from the oxtail, and I'm going to cook it for at least 15 minutes before adding some more seasoning in there. Now I'm going to add some dry seasoning. I'm going to start with some thyme. Then I'm going to be adding some lemon pepper, curry, salt to taste, some dry rosemary leaves. Last but not least, I'm going to add some browning in here and stir it with my spoon so it can give it this brown and delicious color. Very delicious, very colorful. Then we cover our stew and let it boil for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, look at our stew, it looks so delicious.